Grace, is the food not ready? Why is it taking so much time? Are you preparing stone?
I'm coming.
You're coming. Are you cooking stone? Mama, I'm sorry. So tell me, how did it go? Tell me you didn't beat up with the woman.
Don't you trust your mother? Don't you trust what your mother can and cannot do? Eh? I gave it to her. Eh?
Be careful before you beat someone to death.
I'll only be teaching them lessons. Those two women,
Mama, food is ready.
So did they say it was your fault?
No. Everybody judged the case in my favor. Yes.
Your favor? Are you serious?
Yes.
Honey, the food is getting cold.
Are you crazy? Are you shut up? Are you crazy? Can't you see I'm having a conversation with my mother? Why are you interrupting?
What warranted this slap? You were the one that was hurrying me to bring this food fast now.
Because he hurried you to prepare the food. That's why you want to hurry us to eat the food. You want to force the food into our throats?
I'm sorry, Mama. It's just that I didn't want the food to get cold.
Are you still talking back at my mother?
No.
Are you talking back at my mother?
Sorry. Just the food will not get cold.
If it gets cold, you want it again. That's all you know how to do in this house. Give me children, remember, barren witch. Now sit down, let's talk. When the food gets cold, she'll go and warm it again.
So
this one is beautiful.
Hey, for the groom's men, babe, I was thinking they would wear suits for the church service, and then during the reception they'll put on agbada. What do you think? You like?
It's okay, but babe, why are you stressing yourself planning this wedding when you know perfectly well that we can actually pay a wedding planner to help us out?
Babe! Can you stop? Hey, are we going back to this again? We've talked about this before. I don't want anybody to plan my wedding. I'll do the planning myself. Whatever money we are going to give to this wedding planner, we can use it to cover up for something, maybe drink or something. Babe, I don't want us running into debt after this wedding. Please.
Yeah, you have a point there. I'm not trying to upset you. Come here.
The important thing here is that we have a successful wedding.
Exactly.
Free from debt.
Exactly.
No debt at all.
Exactly.
Please.
Come here.
Okay, so...
Mom, I've lost my appetite.
Why?
I don't know. I'd rather just drink water then.
You try and eat something.
Food doesn't smell good. What's this? What kind of meat is this? It's so big.
Where is your plate? I'm asking you, where is your own plate?
Are you deaf? She just asked the question, right?
I am following your instructions. You said I shouldn't talk back at your mother.
Are you out of your mind? The fact that I said don't talk back at my mother doesn't mean you shouldn't answer her question. She just asked you a question, right?
You also instructed that I am not allowed to sit on the same table with both of you, pending when you say otherwise.
You're just a dummy. You're a dummy, a tall one.
Agaracha, come bring spoon. My son, wait, hold on. Go and get your spoon. Cello, wait.
Oh, I know why you want me to wait.
Test your food.
I should test the food.
Is my English so difficult for you to understand? Test the food you cooked now. Someone should test the food.
Why are you looking at me? They said taste the food.
Some test the food.
You're looking at me. No, don't taste. Pour it on your head. No, don't taste. Huh? Carry it on your head.
Turn it properly. Don't just eat from one portion. Turn. It mix the food. Yes.
Why are you crying? Mama, this girl is very deceptive in nature. Very manipulative.
This is crocodile tears.
Why are you crying? Did anyone touch you? We just asked you to taste the food.
Keep eating, eat more.
Because you likely put poison. You want to kill all of us so that you can take my money.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
Taste the meat. Taste the meat, because I don't understand what type of meat this is. It looks big. It's probably human meat or horse meat.
Taste the meat.
Which one should I taste with?
Anyone you like.
Are you sure this is not horse meat?
Anyone you like. It's good to test my son's spoon, because I know you cannot kill me. You cannot. I'm stronger than you.
Can I go now?
No, you cannot go.
Wait,
Stay.
drink this one.
Give her to
Go.
go.
Where are you going? Stay.
Okay.
Her phone is even ringing. Maybe her boyfriends are calling her.
This. I think I like this one.
Check this one out.
That reminds me. What of that your friend? The one that has issues with his wife?
Which of my friend?
Uzoma, yes. Has it settled?
Oh. Sweetie, I've done everything within my powers to talk to Uzoma, but he's not listening. They are still quarreling. For real.
Babe, what's really the problem? Like, what's causing... I don't understand. What's
Childbirth issues. Yes.
Childbirth.
Exactly.
I'm sure they've come for medical checkup. So what is the problem?
They are okay. Nothing.
You're trying to say that medically they are fit?
Exactly.
Then they should seek for spiritual help. I mean, since they are physically okay and they're medically okay.
No. Not Uzoma. Not Uzoma.
Babe, they need spiritual help.
Uzoma will not do it. He does not like anything that has to do with a spiritual thing. He believes when the time comes, God will give them a child. Yes.
Really?
I can force him. I've tried talking to him about it, but... So enough of them.
Babe, honestly, since your friend does not believe in spiritual things, he should let his wife be. He should wait for God's time. I don't like the fact that he's...
My dear, I'm doing my best for them. I have already done my best. So enough of them. I'm hungry.
No way.
I am famished. I need to eat something. Huh?
Okay. You want to eat food. So tell me, which of the food? Is it food or...
You know the one I want to eat.
Which?
You actually know the one I want to eat. I want to eat food.
Myself. I want us to discuss something.
Okay, go ahead.
I think it's high time you got another woman. This girl you call your wife. She has destroyed her womb with series of abortions.
Mama, you're right. I was actually thinking of getting another woman. So we are on the same page.
That's my son.
Right.
That's my son.
Because I've been doing my best. I've been firing. I've been, performing my conjugal duties, but it looks like her net doesn't catch anything.
The net The net has torn. Pieces. Can't see more please Amara. Haba.
You have every right to be angry at me for not being able to conceive. But I have a proposition. How about we try another doctor? I mean, we've been seeing Dr. Paul for a while now and there's not been any result.
Yeah? Are you by any chance, or are you indirectly saying that my son is impotent, that he cannot get you pregnant?
No, not at all. That is what I said. I'm only saying that...
What did you say now?
That we should try another doctor. We've been on Paul's medication and consultation for a while and there's no positive result.
Mama, it's okay. Let me just take it from here. So what are you trying to say in essence? You want us to seek a second opinion, right?
Yes.
Because you don't trust me.
No.
Because you know or you are sure that the problem is coming from me.
That's what I said.
No, that's what you're saying indirectly. I went to school. I'm educated, for crying out loud. You're speaking English language, right? Huh? So what are you saying? So what do we need a second opinion for? Alright, that's fine. Mama, it's okay. Let's welcome the idea. So get ready tomorrow morning. We'll go to another doctor. And guess what? Pray to everything you believe in that the fault is mine. Because if it's not, if I am not the problem, if I am not impotent, like you're indirectly telling me, I'll get another wife.
Mom! No. Enolia, did you hear him? You heard what he said? If the fault is not from my son and it's from you, he will go and marry a fertile woman that will come and scatter grandchildren here for me. With your long legs, but I
can't explain what's going on. What did I do wrong? What's my veins? I'm not God that gives to drain. Let's give peace a chance. I know someday things will get better.
What have I done? I just hope that my pressure have not landed me more trouble.
What are you saying there? Are you saying something?
Happy.
Are you saying something?
No.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
I thought you were on your way to the kitchen.
Yes.
Go straight to the kitchen where you belong. Are you expecting me to carry you on my head? Madam, are you expecting me to carry you on my head? Walk fast now. Why you? What's wrong with you? Do I have to beg you again? Huh?
I have to, Mama.
Wow, move away now. Somebody has to pass.
Sorry.
What's wrong with you now?
No.
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
How did it go?
God has vindicated me. In fact, Mama,
Ezoku.
I have been cleared.
That you're perfect.
The doctor said I am capable of making a woman pregnant.
Mama. Agu! I know you're perfect.
Can I not be
You are
perfect?
like your father.
Eh?
One shoot, one catch. What about...
Mama, you don't want to know. You don't want to know. She has, the doctor says she has to treat a lot of infection. She's carrying a lot. Infection.
Hey! But you know what? The doctor did not tell you the truth. The major truth is that she has destroyed her womb in series of abortions.
Hey!
That is exactly what is wrong with her. Yes. Speak up! Shut up your mouth. My son, they said there is no long sermon at evening mass.
Of course.
Remember we had an agreement before you went to the hospital that if my son is certified perfect, that I will bring a fertile woman that will bear us children, that will give me grandchildren. So what do we say?
Mama, please, no.
Shut up your mouth! I don't want to ever hear my name in that your cursed mouth. Everything about you is cursed. Listen, from today onward, I don't want you to give my son any food again, ever.
Mama, I was just thinking about the same thing. We actually do think alike.
Of course, you're my son and I'm your mother. That's why we think alike.
Did you hear her?
Because they said the hearts of women are desperately wicked. This one, her own heart. Hey!
You will not cook for me. You will not touch my food. You will not touch my water. You will not enter my kitchen. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Do we have an understanding?
You can't.
Good.
Hey! Ilelele. Don't worry. I'm coming back. I'm coming back with a fertile woman. That will bear us children. Hey! I know there's nothing good about you. Nothing! You're just here eating my son's money. That's all you are good at. Mukwanu nwa mba. Chalo, don't worry.
Honey, I would like to talk to you. Honey?
Hey, I'm not deaf, okay?
I know you're not deaf, but you would have at least just said something to make me know you're listening.
Listen, Grace, if you have nothing to say, just disappear now.
Actually, I wanted to apologize. I wanted to apologize for coming up with the idea of going to see another doctor. It's not because I do not trust your friend, Dr. Paul. It's just that I wanted us to seek another opinion. You know, we could get a positive result from there. I'm so sorry if it made you feel any kind of way. I just want us to go back to the way things were before. Us being very loving, you and I, Mama. Let's just live in peace. Please. Thank you.
My son.
No?
Are you busy?
Not really.
Okay. I just want to let you know that I'll be going back to the village tomorrow morning.
Mama, you should have at least knocked. This is my bedroom.
Hey! Eh? I should knock before I enter my son's room. Eh? My own son. The one I bore in my belly for 9 good months. I gave birth to him. I nurtured him. I trained him and made him what he is today. I should knock before coming into his room.
Mama, it's not...
Says who?
It's not like that. I'm just saying privacy.
Are you stupid? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry.
Have I not warned you never to speak back at my mother?
I'm sorry because...
Have I not warned you never to speak back at my mother?
I'm sorry.
Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry.
You don't have respect for my mother?
I'm sorry.
How dare you?
I'm sorry because... I said I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
Try that rubbish again.
It's not her fault though. It's because I'm still allowing her to stay in this house. That's why she have the gut, the mouth to question what I do and what I don't do. Eh? If I push you out of this house, I will know where you have the mouth to question what I do and what I don't do in this house. It's not your fault. Anyways, my son, like I said earlier, I'll be going to the village tomorrow morning. You remember my friend Mama Nkechi?
Hey. Listen, I need to hear my mother, okay? You need to shut up!
You remember Nkechi? The one you both went to the same secondary school? The mother called me that she's back. Okay. So I need to go and see her so that I can invite her over. Bring her.
I thought you said she traveled out of the country.
Yes, but she's back.
Okay, that's fine.
You like the arrangement?
Mama, it's okay. I'll come and see you in your room, okay? I'll come to the room shortly. Just give me some time, yeah.
Oh, my son. Well, good night, eh?
Yeah, good night.
Your room. Indeed.
Hey, listen to me. If you don't shut your mouth, you're going to get it hot tonight. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? Come here. Do you understand me? Don't you talk?
Yes, I do. I'm sorry.
Rubbish. Try that rubbish again. This is my bedroom. This is your bedroom. It's your bedroom, really? Did you build this house for me? Huh? Did you build the house for me? Or did you buy it for me? This is your bedroom. You're telling my mother, the woman that gave birth to me, that this is your bedroom. Are you out of your mind? Don't you have sense? And listen, the dishes downstairs, you have to wash them tonight before you go to bed. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? You have to wash the dishes before you go to bed. And you're not sleeping on this bed tonight. Your punishment is you can't sleep close to me. For you to have told my mother that, that she should have knocked before coming into her son's bedroom. Get out. This is my bedroom. The bedroom belongs to me. The one you bought with your money. Or you built this house for me. The bedroom belongs to me.
How long will I go through this? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? Depends on much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on much I can't bear this anymore.
Mama, hurry up, oh! You know I don't like night journey.
Yeah.
Hey, Mama. Honey, good morning. Mama, honey, good morning. Mama, I already served breakfast. You know you can't live on an empty stomach. Come in and eat, oh?
Nah, Imana walilezi amusu. Walilezi amusu. Oh, you think you can kill me? You want to poison me with your food? So that it will look as if I had an accident and died on the road. Okay? Listen, let me tell you something. I am bigger than you, both physically and spiritually. You cannot do anything to me. The only person I'm afraid of is my innocent son. Mana, you can't do anything to him because onye neburu nke aye bu nkem.
Johnny Mercy, Mama.
Johnny Mercy buo ya ba. Johnny Mercy buo gi. Nah, let's go. No. Remember what I told you last night. On no account should you collect anything from this girl. This witch you call a wife. Don't take anything from her at all.
Of course.
Biko.
Of course.
You know she's like a wounded lion now. She's looking for slightest opportunity to strike. So please, Zeya, avoid her in all areas.
No problem.
But besides, what is she still doing in your house? Let her leave, Mama. Now.
Mama. Let her stay. You know why? You know I don't have help. I don't have any house help here. So let her fill in that space.
Okay.
She needs to work to pay me back.
Okay.
Yes. Besides, I have spent a lot of money on her family. Do you understand me? So she needs to work hard. And guess what? I don't want the bride price I paid on her head to go to waste.
Ago. Omeka nne. Bam. Ijie. Hey!
So let her work.
Because
I've paid a lot of money.
Okay.
I've spent a lot of money on her family.
Let her stay and
so let her wash
your
all
new
the
bride.
plates. No,
let's go so.
That's what I'm saying.
Mado. Hey, where?
Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. I'm in pain. I'm in pain.
Just give me my own child. My own child. Even if it's just one. Just one. This is too much. It's too much. Dr. Paul, I don't even know where to begin from. But if I tell you that I am happy in my marriage, I'll be a big liar. Dr. Paul, I am suffering and I am dying slowly. This man beats me blue black. He beats me all the time. Sometimes I just begin to ask myself, where did I go wrong? I am a good wife to my husband, I promise. I don't know what to do. The more I talk to him, it gets worse by the day.
Grace, it's okay. That's fine. I understand. I know what you're going through. Okay? I will advise you to hang in there. Everything will be fine. You know, sometimes I do ask myself, why did Uzo change?
I ask myself the same question every day.
I'll talk to him.
Please, help me talk to him. Things are getting out of hand. Let him not kill me one day.
I'll talk to him. I will. At least he'll stop beating you.
Okay.
At least he'll stop hitting you.
Okay. I really appreciate that.
It's okay.
I have to go now before he comes back. I realize I'm not around. It will be more trouble for me. Please, thank you. Thank you.
Put yourself together.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, man.
What's up, bro?
You didn't go to work today?
I just go back.
Oh, you serious?
How you doing?
I'm cool.
Please have a seat.
You're welcome, Mr. Paul.
Oh, Mrs. Uzo, how are you?
I am fine.
So what's up?
What can I help you?
Man, nothing.
Oh.
Okay.
There you go.
My man. So, Uzo, I need you to come check my solar. It's no longer lasting. I don't know what is wrong with it.
I'll get someone to check it, to look at it.
Oh, that's why I'm here.
Here we go. Fruits.
Oh,
Hey, what's this?
thank you.
Fruits.
Who asked you to make this? Did he tell you he wanted some fruits? Did he tell you he wanted fruits?
No. I just did it.
Okay. You're here to poison me, right?
Hey, Uso.
You made this so I can eat and die.
Hey, Uzo, you're speaking to your woman in this manner?
Take this rubbish out. Are you crazy? Take it out of here.
Okay. Sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. He's joking.
Who's joking?
Why would she promise him? What are you saying?
Who's joking?
Are you serious right now? What is wrong with you? Hey, I need to go. We need to go outside and talk. I need to talk to you. What has come over you? Also, what is going on? What has come over you? Uzo, initially you told me how much you love this girl. How much you are going to protect her. How much you're going to respect her. How you will never let any harm come to her. How you will never hurt her. But right now, Uzo, you are doing the opposite. You're the one hurting her. Yes.
Paul, it's a long story, but the truth is, she's very annoying. She is very, very annoying, trust me.
How? I don't understand. The same person you did everything within your powers to make your wife. I know how you suffered. You went extra mile just to make this woman your wife. Look, there's this thing I am trying to gulp down, but it's very difficult. What do you mean by you want to get another wife?
No, that's because I'm African, am I not?
And so what?
I mean, I have the right to marry as many wives as I want. As many wives as possible.
What is actually going on? I don't know what is actually wrong with you. Also, do you remember you almost had issues with me when I went against the matrimony? Do you remember?
Paul, let's say I was blind, but now I can clearly see.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
You were blind, and now you can see.
Absolutely.
Look, I want to know, is it because of childlessness? Or is there anything you're not telling me? Don't even bring your mother into this, because I know your mother and I am sure she supported this union.
Paul, can we talk about something else, please? Did you watch the match yesterday?
So this is not important to you. I am ranting, right?
Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
I am not making sense. Huh?
Paul.
Look, I don't know what has come over you. But do not, in your entire life, lay your hands on your woman again. Do not. I beg you, do not.
Paul, can I see you off?
Babe.
Hey, darling. You're back.
Yeah.
Welcome. Welcome.
How are you? You smell good.
Thank you. And you look stressed. What happened? You came back late today. Did you have an emergency?
Nah, not emergency. I had to branch to Uzo's place.
Okay.
His wife came to the office again to complain about Uzo.
Again?
Yes. Yes.
These two are still fighting. They've not settled.
I don't know what is wrong with Uzo. They are still fighting. I don't
Babe,
know.
I'm sorry, but I need to ask. Is it just child issues, like childbirth issues, or there is more to this? Because I'm not getting it. What is really going on? Like, what is the problem?
Exactly the question I asked him. He didn't give me any reasonable answer. Yes. I don't know.
Babe, in all honesty, this is very worrisome. Yes. A part of me feels like meeting Uzo's wife and then talk things out with her. Maybe she can talk to me, woman to woman, and tell me what the problem really is. Because I can't believe it is just childbirth issue that is bringing issues between herself and her husband. I mean, let me just talk to her. That's if you permit it.
Yeah, you have a point there. I'll get back to you on that. But enough of them. What did you cook? I am famished. Let me tell you something.
Well, I made your favorite. Beans and rice with banga stew.
No, you don't made it.
Of course, I did.
You don't made it. Let me quickly freshen up.
Okay.
I can't wait to devour it.
Let's go inside. Baby, after you, let's go. Let's go.
Yo!
Oh my goodness. Honestly,
I am tired. I am tired of this marriage. I am exhausted. I am not the only woman on earth who is childless that I will not have peace in my home. Your friend is going to kill me. He gets angry at everything I do. Anything at all, he just starts beating me. At this point, if he wants to marry another woman, he is free to go ahead and marry whoever he wants to. He should just let me be, please. The beating is too much. I am someone's child too. I don't know.
So Uzo still continued after he made a promise to me to change and become a better person.
He actually became worse. It's getting worse by the days. You have to talk to your friend. If he continues like this, I do not know what I will do. I don't know what I will do. No, what is this?
No.
Every day beating.
It's fine.
Look at my face.
It's okay. It's fine. Don't go do anything stupid that will complicate your problem. I'll talk to him. I will talk to him intensively this time around. First of all, I'll need to prescribe some medication to ease your pain. Please.
It's just too much.
Stop crying, Grace, please.
It's too much for me. It's too much for me.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
What's up? You're welcome.
You said you wanted to see me urgently.
Yeah, exactly. How was it?
Everything okay?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Uzo, you know, a man is known for keeping his words. So why are you not keeping yours?
How do you mean?
Your wife came to my office to complain to me again. But this time around, she complained bitterly. At a point, she started crying in my office. What is the matter with you? What changed you, Uzo? What is the matter with you? Why the sudden change?
Paul, it's a long story. And besides, marriage is different. But it's a long story.
Nah, Uzo, unlike you. This is unlike you. I don't like the way you're treating this woman. I don't like it because you and I know that the problem is from you. And at this point, my conscience is beginning to judge me.
Paul, like I said, marriage is different. It comes with all kinds of challenges. But when you sit here and tell me your conscience is beginning to judge you, are you trying to tell me, or are you trying to insinuate that you're backing out? You're no longer with me? Is that what you're saying indirectly?
So I don't know what to think now, but I need you to stop maltreating your wife. You better stop. Watch it. Also, if you don't stop, I am not going to watch your back any longer.
Paul, this is my cross. Let me carry it, okay?
Your cross?
Yeah.
The same cross you lured me into. Really?
I think someone is at the door.
Hi, babe.
Oh, sweetheart.
Mr. Uzuma.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm okay. How are you? How's
Fine.
everything?
Fine. Is everything okay?
Yeah, sure. We're just
well,
having a
well,
conversation.
Yes.
Okay. Alright. That reminds me. Mr. Uzoma,
Yeah.
you don't want me to meet with your wife. It's unfair, oh.
That's not true. I have offered severally, but your fiance keeps delaying, so I don't know why. Whenever it's ready, I'm ready.
Babe. Okay, so I'll be looking forward to meeting her very soon.
You will.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll be inside.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Bye.
Was you hurt, babe? You better stop.
Paul, remember, no one should hear of this. No one should hear of everything I told you.
I am not promising you.
What secret are they talking about? Secret. Paul. Paul.
Oh, hey. Where is the remote to this television?
I wouldn't know. So, babe. What secret are you two keeping? Yourself and Uzoma. What are you hiding?
No, it's nothing serious. You don't need to worry about it. Yeah?
Nothing serious. But your faces said otherwise the moment I got in here. I mean, you two were looking troubled. Like you were discussing something very important. Don't you think?
I just said it's nothing serious. Don't bother yourself about it. Just that I gave him a business and he messed it up for me.
A business?
Yeah.
So what do you intend doing about the business he messed up?
Sweetie, you know how business is. Sometimes you lose and sometimes you win. He's a friend. I can do anything.
Indeed. Alright, that's by the way. So tell me, how did your day go?
Fantastic.
Grace! Grace! Bring your stupid self down here.
Honey, you're welcome. Why are you shouting? Huh?
How dare you? Huh?
How dare me what? Eh?
You've been going around town telling people how bad I am to you, right? So you're trying to convince people that I am a bad person.
I didn't complain to people. I only complained to your friend,
My
Paul.
friend. As what? As my father, my mother, someone who feeds me?
Your friend.
Is that it?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Try it again. Try it again!
My heart is bleeding. Oh, I'm in pain. Shattered. How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? There's a much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue.
I told them back I would do. That's it! That's it! That's a finished work. Hey, what is it?
Babe, honestly, I'm not okay. I'm not fine.
What's the problem? What is it?
What is going on between you and Uzoma?
Oh.
What are you two hiding? What
Honey,
is the secret you're hiding?
I told you it's nothing to worry about. We've talked about it.
Paul, you know we are entering into another stage of our relationship.
I know now.
And believe me, to be a wrong thing to build the foundation of this relationship on lies and keeping secrets. You know it. Remember, we promised each other that there will be no lies. Lies will be far from this relationship.
Okay. I'll tell you. Alright? Promise me you'll keep it to yourself.
Paul, I can't promise anything. Especially when it has to do with human life. I can't do that. And if you decide not to tell me, either ways, I'll find out.
Okay. Uzo is the cause of their childlessness. That I assisted medically. Yes.
You did what? Uzoma did what? You did what? Paul! Uzoma is the cause of their childlessness. And everybody is blaming the wife, including himself? What sort of wickedness is this? I'm asking you!
Sweetie, I was only trying to help a friend. I didn't know this thing would result to this.
You didn't know what? What are you saying? This is ridiculous. You didn't know what?
Can you bring down your
Oh
voice?
God, I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you right now. Where's your sense of reasoning? Where is your common sense? That you're going to risk your license of how many years? Just because you want to please your friend. Where is it done? I don't understand. Like, you didn't think? You didn't think about this before you did what you did. You didn't think about it. Paul, do you know that this singular act can send you to prison for life? Like it can put you behind bars, take your license away from you. What am I even saying? Paul, how will you do such a thing? Oh, maybe you don't know the implication of manipulating results as a medical doctor. I can't even believe that a man that I hold so dear to my heart would involve himself in such a mess.
I know, and that is the reason I was trying to get Uzo to tell his wife everything. Open up to your wife. You wouldn't listen to me.
Just take a look at what you're saying. Look at the rubbish you're spilling out. You know, you were trying to tell Uzo. How would you involve yourself in such a mess? Didn't you think? Didn't you think of the implication, your career? You didn't think about all these things. You didn't think about it. Maybe you don't even know the implication of what you've done. You think this is a child's play? Yeah? We're playing here. Just take a look at what you are saying. Didn't you think? Are you not a man?
Honey.
Didn't you think of the implication, your career, your life? You didn't. How would you allow yourself to be used like that?
Honey, I thought about all of this. Yes, I did. But he convinced me. He gave me reasons and I believed him. I followed. I'm a fool.
Just take a look at the rubbish that you're spilling from your mouth.
It's fine.
But just take a look at your life. You think we're playing here?
It's fine.
You think it's child's play? You don't know that your career is at stake. What if you run out of luck? Did you think about that? You know the luck you two have? The luck you have is that I don't know Uzoma's wife. Hey, believe me, because if I had known her, I would have been spilling immediately. Listen carefully. Whether or not I know Uzoma's wife, the truth must come to light. I give you 1 week. Paul! If you don't tell her what she needs to know, I will look for her myself, I will locate her house, and I will tell her everything she needs to know. Rubbish!
Sweetheart.
You're unbelievable! Don't even touch me!
How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. How long will I go through this? Depends on how much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on how much I can't bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Oh, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. Oh, I'm in pain. I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe.
Breakfast in bed was supposed to be a surprise, but Mama ruined everything.
You ruined mine too. I wanted to give her breakfast in bed too. As my daughter-in-law, give her my delicacy. That yam and green sauce I used to make for you.
Mama, I want to cook for my wife.
Let me cook for my daughter-in-law.
Okay, calm down, both of you. Thank you for wanting to surprise me. I really appreciate it.
That's okay.
But it is my duty to take care of my husband. I mean, cook for him and my very beautiful mother-in-law. So please, if you both don't mind, excuse me, I'll do the cooking and I'll serve you.
Okay, because I am a supportive husband, I'll just help you slice.
I know, don't help me.
Okay.
Should I help you and slice the
Mama,
vegetable?
it's okay.
Okay, let me.
No, I don't need help. People should leave my
cut
kitchen.
the onions.
Excuse